Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking all about skincare on a budget. Because looking after your skin shouldn't mean spending a lot of money. It can happen in affordable prices too, especially in today's time where some of the brands are killing it with their products. Skincare game is different now with affordable products as well. And I thought I'll just share all the products that I've been loving, enjoying. They've worked for me and they are affordable too. So if you're trying to build a solid skincare routine for yourself but don't want to break the wallet, then definitely check them out. All the products are under rupees 500 except one product which I feel is a little over 500, but rest they're all under rupees 500 and they're amazing. I have been loving each one of them, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so before I start recommending you products, I want to just tell you my skin type. My skin is very weird in the sense that some days I feel my skin is dry, sometimes it's oily. I have dry combination acne prone skin. That means I'm dealing with acne as well. I still get acne. I sometimes do feel my face is oily, especially in this monsoon season, and also in summers. I feel my skin becomes extremely oily. So, according to the skin, I keep changing my products. Weather plays a very important role in terms of how your skin feels. So, right now, I've been feeling a lot of chip and oil. So, face abhi oily hai. So, I have dry. I have combination and acne prone skin. So this is my skin type. So before you consider all these products that I'm going to show you, please know your skin type and then pick a product for yourself. And also ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, these products have worked for me, for sure they'll work for you. Things can be different, but affordable range के साथ यही एक benefit है that you can take the risk and try, experiment. So the first one is from the company Dot & Key Skincare. It is their Blueberry Hydrate 12% Barrier Boost Face Serum. This is such an amazing face serum. If you're not able to take a call कि कौन सा serum अच्छा है आपकी skin के लिए, hyaluronic acid or niacinamide and all these serums, then just close your eyes and pick this. It has niacinamide, it has peptides, ceramides and hyaluronic acid and formulated with rice water. This is such a lightweight, gentle. When my skin is acting up and it's just behaving weird, kabhi dry hai, kabhi oily hai, kabhi this that, I just take this serum and I use it. I do not experiment with other stuff. I just pick this, and this is so gentle on the skin. It will not irritate. If you have dry skin, dull skin, damaged skin, uneven skin, there is irritation, redness, rough patches, then this can be your best friend. This is a no-brainer and I love it. I use this after applying the toner. And when my skin is basically wet, that is the time I use this. I'm almost through this bottle. So if you're looking for a serum and you don't know which one to pick, then start with this. It's a good one. Now the next product, when I don't use this product, this serum, I like to use a vitamin C just for that natural glow, and I have been loving. This is again from Dot & Key. It's their vitamin C serum. So it has 10% vitamin C plus E, and it also has 5% niacinamide. So this serum I use in the daytime after I'm done with my toner, before I apply my moisturizer basically. And just for that natural glow, it really helps with dull skin if you have any pigmentation, and it really brightens your face. So there is that natural glow without actually using a highlighter or anything else. This is the highlighter in your skincare, okay? I love it. I basically मैं इन दोनों में ना switch करती रहती हूँ. Some days I use this and there are days when I reach out to this. So I keep switching. And I don't use them together because I want to just keep my skincare very simple. I don't like to complicate my skincare routine. I keep it very simple. अगर ये लगा रही हूँ तो ये नहीं लगाऊंगी, ये use कर रही हूँ तो ये नहीं लगाऊंगी. So I keep it very simple. सारी चीज़ों को लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. You can just actually use 1 or 2 things and you're good to go. So these are from Dot and Key and I've been loving them. Next product is basically for those days when I'm feeling extremely oily on my face and I want something which can just control the oil. So this is what I've been loving. This is from Rivella. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is Rivella Dermascience by Cipla Health and I've been loving this. This is actually suggested by my dermatologist. This has 2% salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid for acne control, and it contains tea tree oil for oily acne prone skin. So that is my skin. Sometimes it gets too oily and clogged pores and acne and it's just a whole thing. So this has really helped me with my acne situation for sure, and it actually doesn't make my skin extremely dry. Like होता नहीं है with few cleansers, especially जो oily skin के लिए होते हैं, वो आपका face ना एकदम ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा dry कर देते हैं, but ये बिल्कुल भी face को dry नहीं करता है. It keeps the hydration level intact, I feel. That's what I love about it. Now after this is one of my favorite moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer for I think over 3 years. I've repurchased this moisturizer so many times I can't tell you. I've lost track, and this is a new tube which I'm going to show you. It is from the brand Dot and Key. Again Dot and Key, oh god, मतलब अभी this is not a dedicated Dot and Key video, but somehow most of the product which I've been using right now, they're all Dot and Key, and they're all excellent product by the way. They've मतलब whatever products I've used from their brand, they've not disappointed me somehow. What are they doing with their products? I don't know, but Dot and Key, I'm impressed by you and you're doing a great job with your products. They're very good. So basically this is their ceramides and hyaluronic barrier repair moisturizer. It has probiotics and rice water for dry, combination and sensitive skin. It is so lightweight on the skin that you will not feel any chip. You will not feel any heaviness. Like there are moisturizers that are thick in consistency. This is extremely lightweight, and because it has ceramides, it just heals your skin if you have damaged skin, and it is a non-sticky formulation, so lightweight on the skin. I've been loving this. This is my new tube and I think I'm going to repurchase again. Like this is such a killer product. If you have dry skin, then definitely give this a shot. It's such an amazing moisturizer. You can also use this moisturizer underneath your makeup. Like today, I've used this, literally use this every day, and even for my nighttime routine, I just use this moisturizer. Dot and Key, you did good here. Now the next product I've been using for a very long time, but I don't think I've ever shared this product on YouTube or any other platform. But I've been consistent with this product and I always repurchase जब खत्म हो जाता है. बहुत ही पुराना product है, but old is gold, and especially if you have dry skin, extremely dry skin, then this is your only best friend. I'm talking about this product. It is Borolin. मतलब सदियों पुराना प्रोडक्ट है ये जो चलता चला जा रहा है. So this really helps with the dry patches that I get on my face. This is one product which is, I think, the only solution to chapped lips, chapped skin, chapped heels, chapped elbows, chapped anything. Apply Borolin. So chapped anything, this really heals the skin. This is almost over. ये बेसिकली विंटर्स में मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा काम आती है जब कभी भी बहुत एक्सट्रीम ड्राइनेस हो जाती है फेस पे, एल्बो पे, नी पे, हील्स पे. इट जस्ट सच अ सेवियर फॉर मी, आई फील. एंड इतना तो मैंने किसी भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट नहीं किया है जितना मैंने एक सनस्क्रीन को प्रमोट किया है. आई मीन द ओनली सखी सहेली, बिलीव मी, इज योर सनस्क्रीन, आई फील. So the last two products are sunscreen, and these are from two different companies. First one is this. This is from Minimalist. And again we have Dot and Key. It's not a surprise at this point that they're doing wonderful job with their products, and this is the sunscreen I'm talking about. Minimalist is SPF 50 with niacinamide, vitamin B5, and vitamin F. And Dot and Key is SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus. Now, both the sunscreens are amazing. They're both extremely lightweight. It just absorbs into the skin really quickly. There is no white cast. And when you use these SPF, they give that natural shine to your face. You know, they're not extremely matte. They're both for all skin type. So any skin type can use it. Also, I love applying them underneath my makeup. There is no pilling, nothing with these two. So both of them are amazing. There's only one drawback. I think वो drawback is with every sunscreen. Can you guess what? That you have to reapply it. It's such a pain. And makeup के ऊपर reapply करना possible ही नहीं है bro. But apart from that, these two are really good. If you're looking for a sunscreen that you can apply underneath your makeup that is lightweight, absorbs quickly and no white cast, then check them out. And that's a wrap on today's skincare on a budget video. I hope you found some helpful, affordable products to level up your skincare routine. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'll just tell you my skin type. I am